Hey guys, Andrew King here. Welcome to my Retainio review. I'm here inside the members area and today I'm going to give you a full overview. I'm also going to show you what the prices and upsells are and how much all this costs. And on top of that, I got some really cool custom made bonuses for you guys to help you get the best out of Retainio. Now, in a nutshell, Retainio, it's a brand new website builder or viral buzz website builder that is going to allow you to generate content just like Viral Nova. If you don't know viralnova.com, it has been sold for over $100 million because it generates content that generates curiosity. And people want to know these weird topics and these mysterious topics. So they basically click on these articles and they stay on this website longer, and this website makes even more money. So it was sold for over 100 million. It's going to show you on how to create website that looks just like that. As you can see, this is one of the websites created using Retainio right here, and I'm going to show you on how to create these topics and post them inside of Retainio. You can also lock content inside these articles and basically do a lead generation. You can capture people's email addresses and all the things that you want. You can lock content and ask people to share it on different social media platforms to unlock that content. So it's a really cool concept. If you are interested in picking up Retainio anytime during watching this review video, all you have to do is click the first link down below in the description, come through to my bonus page right here and click on this yellow button. You'll be taken to the sales page where you can pick up your copy of Retainio. Now you have to do that as soon as Retainio goes live, which is on the 26th of June at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you don't live in the US, all you have to do is type in EST time. And then as you can see, you'll see that it's 4 a.m. on the 26th. I'm filming this video now. This product is gonna go live at 11 a.m. today. Only then you can come through to my bonus page and click on these buttons. It will take you to the sales page where you can pick up your copy. Now you have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, this bonus page will disappear and so will all my bonuses. I don't want you to miss out on my bonuses. These bonuses are exclusive to me, which means you can't get them anywhere else, or you can't get them by going to other affiliates and going through their bonus pages. You have to go through my bonus page to get access to all my bonuses free of charge and delivered to you instantly once you pick up Retainio. My first bonus is going to be access to Aurora Pro and Stealth Advanced. I have thought of the best bonuses that can help you with Retainio, because once you create these websites, they're gonna be able to drive you traffic, but you have to do some traffic generation of your own. I have saved you time by giving you access to Aurora Pro and Stealth Advanced. With Aurora, you can put Pinterest accounts and Instagram accounts inside the software, and it will go ahead and follow people in a specific targeted niche for you. There is a training included inside. If you don't know how to do all this stuff, it's going to show you on how to use the software to get to follow targeted people. And once you follow them, you're going to put or embed your link to your viral websites inside your profiles, inside your Instagram and Pinterest profiles. And once people visit those profiles, once you follow them, they're going to visit your profile and hopefully click the link in the description, come through to your viral site, and that way you'll be able to drive traffic using Stealth. Now, as for the Stealth, I'm sorry, that was Aurora Pro. Why am I giving you the Pro version? You can add unlimited accounts. You can basically add 50 Instagram accounts and 50 Pinterest accounts if you want, and it will drive you anywhere from 1,000 up to 10,000 visitors to your websites just on autopilot. But the second thing I'm giving you inside this bonus is going to be Stealth Advanced. This is a training that's going to show you on how to run Gmail ads. Gmail ads are so cheap. You can run Gmail ads inside of Google Ads and drive unlimited viral traffic to these websites. The second bonus is going to be access to how to rank your website in the #1 page of Google, because if you don't rank within the first 3 pages of Google, you never get any traffic, and they do not guarantee you any rankings inside this cloud-based software. So I have included that in my second bonus. My third bonus is gonna be a hack on how to I'm sorry, it's supposed to say something like how to drive hundreds of visitors from Instagram. My third bonus is going to be on how to drive hundreds of visitors from Instagram. I'm going to change this as soon as I'm done doing this video. Once you click on my bonus page, this is going to be changed. My fourth bonus is going to be a tutorial on the best high ticket offers to promote. I'm going to show you the best high ticket offers to promote inside these articles. You can embed your affiliate link and get thousands of visitors to the high ticket webinar and make high ticket sales. My fifth bonus is going to be a hack on the 5 other ways to make money with Retainio. Obviously, the way that you're going to use, or the common way that most people are going to use, is through affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you 5 other ways to make money with Retainio to maximize your income. The sixth bonus is going to be special access to all the vendors' bonuses. Now, I don't know what these bonuses are, but what I do know is that most other affiliates are offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that and gave you access to all these bonuses, all these extra exclusive bonuses delivered to you free of charge and instantly once you pick up the front end of Retainio. Let's jump right into the cloud-based software. And as you can see, it's really simple to use. It got a simple dashboard. We have the dashboard right here, the analytics. You can view the analytics for your websites. First, you're gonna go to My Sites, and then you're gonna create a new website. And basically, as you can see, this is a review access. We have a lot of websites right here. I don't know how many websites you can create on the front end, but even though if you can create one single website, it's still a pretty good deal for the price. Now, if we go to dashboard right here, we can choose our microsite that we created inside of My Sites. So let's say this one right here. We have 3 posts. I can click on create a new post to create a new post. And as you can see, it's loading up real quick. And one thing I forgot to mention, this is hosted on their own hosting, so you don't need to buy hosting and you don't need to buy domain. It's much preferred that you buy your own domain and add it here, but you can use their free domain if you want. Here we have the title, description, add image tags, and all this good stuff. Now what you can do is click on start, add in new elements. You can add all this sort of stuff, call to action. We have some paragraphs. I can click on paragraph and add some random paragraph right here, whatever I want. As you can see, we have a paragraph right here. I can click on image and choose either from the gallery, from the Pixels website, Pixabay, and all this good stuff. Let's say I want to add this image of Barcelona. You can add a story title right here. I'm gonna type in something like Barcelona. Click on apply. I'm not pretty good at blogging, so please don't judge me. You can write whatever you want right here. As you can see, it's pretty simple to edit. All you have to do is click on start adding new elements. You can click on video right here, and let's choose a video. So for example, let me just search something like cats or Barcelona, since we chose the Barcelona picture. So I'm gonna add this video right here that gets 63 million views. And what I can do, this is the cool part. You can click on here on this, you can click on here and you can click on edit, and basically you can lock it. Let me just find the locker. Okay, where is it? Let me just find it. I forgot how to lock content. Yeah, enable lock-in. It's on the top right here. You just click on the element that you want to lock. I'm gonna click on enable locking, and then I'm gonna choose this one. So I'm gonna lock this video right here. Unlock content by entering your email address below. I can ask people to enter their email address. I'm gonna type in something like get instant access. We're gonna preview this in a second. Sorry guys. Enter your email address here. Share this story to find out more. So all they have to do, it's gonna they're gonna see something like this. Unlock the content by entering your email address below. They're gonna enter their email address and click on get instant access. I'm gonna receive that lead inside my autoresponder. You can link your autoresponder right here. As you can see here, I'm gonna choose get response. You can put your API key and all this stuff right here, this technical stuff. And once you do that, you're gonna click on save. I'm not gonna save this into an autoresponder because it's just an example. You can add this, share this story to find out more. You can add this share button. You can choose to add it or not. And then you're gonna click on save. And this content is basically locked right now. We can preview this article. As you can see, I have created this article within like 2 or 3 minutes. Let's say Barcelona right here, and click on save. Now I can preview the content, save and preview. As you can see, this is the content right here. This should be locked. Let me just click on publish. And then here we go, we have the link right here. I'm just gonna visit the article. As you can see, the video is locked. This is really cool. Most other website builders don't allow you to do this. So if you consider picking up Retainio, this is gonna be the main feature that is gonna help you generate leads and make your articles go viral. And with my bonuses, this becomes literally a no-brainer. Now, if we go here, I showed you the article. You can add articles to certain categories right here and all that good stuff. It's really simple to use. If you want to watch a more in-depth review or a more in-depth demo video, you can go to my bonus page and watch this video right here, which is the demo video, where the product creator explains more about Retainio. Now let's take a look at the prices in upsells. We have the front end. Everything I just showed you is gonna cost you $37, and we have a downsell for $27. So it's basically you're gonna get 5 micro bus sites, so you can create 5 websites. You're gonna get 1 template. You're gonna get videos, polls, conversions, quotes, gallery. You can add all this stuff, list, swiper, and you can read all these features. I'm not gonna waste your time by reading these features. You can check out the features right here on my bonus page. The second upsell is gonna be the Retainio Pro. Of course, you're gonna get a ton more features. Basically, you're gonna get the same amount of websites, which is 5 micro buzz websites. Additional 3 templates. You're gonna get more templates. You can customize the look. I definitely recommend you to pick up the first upsell because you're gonna get a lot more features. Plus, you're gonna get the spin wheel, an amazing way to have visitors interact with your website and get them to opt in or purchase of your recommended offer. So you can recommend an offer with the spin wheel. You can check out the spin wheel and the demo video on my bonus page. Extract content from any URL. Basically, you can enter a URL from another website, and it's gonna extract the content and spin it. We have the spinner right here, spin it so that you can rank it on Google, because if you don't spin content, if you just copy and paste, your website will never rank on Google. But don't worry, because I gonna give you in my second bonus, I'm gonna show you on how to rank your website on Google, so you don't have to worry about that. You get additional 500 campaigns, additional 15 Facebook pages, additional 15 WordPress sites, additional 15 done for you campaigns. Like I said, this is a really good deal for $67. Unfortunately, we don't have a downsell. If you have a couple $70 or an extra $70, go for the first upsell. The second upsell is going to be the agency, which is the Retainio agency. You get additional micro buzz websites, 25 for $97 or 50 for $147. So you get to choose between 25 websites, or if you want 50, they're gonna give you a deal for $147. You're gonna save like 30 or 40%. We have Google Analytics, unlimited campaigns, additional Facebook pages. You get 15 Facebook pages on the $97 plan or 30 on the $147. Additional WordPress sites, 25 on for $97 and 50 for $147. And managed clients, 25 for $97 and 50 for $147. This is basically for those of you who want to make this as their daily job, or blogging is your passion. This is definitely for you. Whether you want to pick it up for $97 or $147, you're gonna get all these extra features inside of here. The upsell number 3, which is the last upsell, is gonna be the reseller license, either for $297 or $497. You get 100 licenses for $247. You can sell this product 100 times and make 100% commission on the whole funnel, or you can get 250 licenses. You can sell this 250 times for $497. I still think that 250 licenses is overpriced for $500. But if you want to sell this as your own, if you want to pick up the reseller license, definitely go for $247. You can make a ton of money right here if you put it right into the eyes of the right audience. And basically here, sell Retainio commercial and keep 100%, sell Retainio Pro and agency and keep 50%. So they're not giving you 100% commission on the whole funnel. I don't know why they did that. Usually they give 100% commission, but you're gonna get 100% commission on the front end, and you're gonna get 50% commission on the rest of the funnel. You're gonna get email swipes, ad banner, Facebook ads, marketing materials, and you get reseller access 30 days after the launch. So 30 days after this is launching today, you're gonna get access to the reseller rights. And that's basically my review. I'm sorry if you have struggled with me because I'm not pretty good at English, but I tried my best to deliver the information for you about Retainio. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to hit me up down below in the hit me down. Basically, the comments are down. Hit me in the comments down below and I'll answer you as soon as I see your question. Thank you guys for watching my review, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.